Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, exercise today also we are going to learn mathematics exercise 3.5. We are going to learn exercise 3.5. Yesterday in Zoom class we learned exercise 3.4. Multiply by two digit number. Multiply by two digit number. In exercise 3.5 we are going to learn multiply by three digit number. We are going to learn three digit number. Okay children, we will do few sums in it. Okay children, find the product. Find the product. See, now hereafter the sums will be very tough. So you have to be thorough in tables. You have to be thorough in tables. Without your thorough in tables, you can't do these sums because two digit, one digit, two digit, and three digit became. So it's very hard, children. You be thorough in multiplication tables. Okay. 223 in multiply by 137. 223 multiply by 137. So if you write like, see first what always we have to multiply the ones column. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So always we have to multiply first the ones column. Understood children? Don't forget. If you multiply first the hundreds column from hundreds means the sum will be wrong. Always you have to multiply from ones. Ones place what the tables is there? 7 tables. If you are thorough in 7 tables, you can do it easily. If it's hard means you have to write it and you have to do. So 7 threes are how much children? 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. So you have to put 2 here. 7 twos are, first 7 threes are, then 7 twos are. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2 what children? 15, 16. So what's that? 16. So you have to put 6 here and you have to write 1 here. Okay. 7 twos are, again 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 14 plus 1, 15. Thorough children? See the ones column, what answer came? 1561. Okay. When you come to the tens column, in tens column, what tables is there? 3 tables. But while doing, what you have to do? Automatically you have to put 0 in the ones place. See here you have to put 0. Don't forget to put 0. If you don't put 0 and if you write 9 like this, 3 threes are 9. If you write like this means the answer will be wrong children. Don't do the mistake again. So what you have to put? You have to put 0 and then only you have to start multiplying the tens. See now 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Okay. 3 twos are 6. Easy. Isn't it? 3 tables is very easy. And again 3 twos are 6. Okay. Then what you have to do children? You have to multiply by 1. This is hundreds column, isn't it? So what you have to do? As soon as you put what you have to put here 1 0 and for hundreds when you have to put another 0. Understood children? For when you multiply by tens, you have to put 1 0. When you multiply by hundreds, you have to put 2 zeros. If you don't put 2 zeros and if you write the 3 like this, 1 3 is 3 like this, if you write means the sum will be wrong. So what you have to do? You have to put 0. First you have to put this. Then only you have to start multiplying. Then only you won't forget. Understood? Otherwise you will do. If you are not putting these 2 zeros, the sum will be wrong. Listen carefully. 1 3 is 3. 1 2 is 2. Easy, isn't it? One table. 1 2 is 2. Okay. Now what you have to do children? You have to add 1561 plus 6690 plus what? 22,300. So you have to what you have to do? You have to add. You have to add. So now what's the answer? What the answer will come children? 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 6 plus 9, 6 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for 15, what you have to put, children? You have to put 5 here and carry over you have to bring here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 6 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 12 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 12, 13, 14, 15. Once again, 15. So what you have to put? 5 here and you have to carry over there. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 2 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So 0 you have to put here and 1 you have to put here. Now 1 plus 2, how much, children? 3. So what's the answer? 30,551. 30,551. Are you thorough, children? Don't forget to put the zeros, the sums, then the sums will be wrong. Okay, we'll do the second sum. $216 into 100 multiplied by 198. 216 multiplied by 198. While writing the sum here, leave 2 lines. You have to leave 2 lines because 3 digit is there. No, sometimes the carryover will be going above. So what you have to do? You have to leave 2 lines and in the third line you have to write this sum. So only I have left this gap. Can you see this, children? I have left this gap. 216 multiplied by 198. Until you are thorough in 9 tables and 8 tables, you can't do this sum. Then you should not cry. See, ma'am, I don't know multiplication tables. You can't tell. You have to be thorough. Understood? 8 6 are. 8 6 are what, children? 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 you have to, and you have to bring 4 here. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 what you have to do? You have to put 2 here and we have to 1 here. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So what's the answer when you multiply by 8? 216 multiplied by 8, what answer? 1728. 1728. Now we are going to multiply 216 multiplied by 9. We have to multiply by 9, the tens one. So automatic what you have to put, children, here? 0. You have to put 0. And 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 4 you have to put here and 5. See, so only I told. See, you have to put 5 here for the tens. So if you leave line only, it will be very easy for you. Understood, children? 9 6 are 54. And now 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 5. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 14 what you have to put here? 4 you have to put here and you have to bring up here. 1. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 you have to put here. See, 1 you have to, don't put 19 like this. If you put 19 like this means the sum will be wrong. You have to put 9 under 1 and 1 should be separately written. Understood? Now 216 multiplied by 9. What answer, children? 19,440. 19,440. Now we are going to multiply 216 multiplied by 1. It's easy. So while coming to the answer, what you have to add? How many zeros you have to add, children? 2 zeros. Don't forget you have to add 2 zeros. 1 6 is 6. 1 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add this 3. So put plus sign. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Understood? Then you have to add. So 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 7 plus 4, 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer? 17. So 7 you have to put here and 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. And 1 you have to bring here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So what's the answer, children? 42,768. 216 multiplied by 198. What answer? 42,768. Are you thorough, children? Okay, children, now we'll see the third sum. Understood, children? 364 multiplied by 215. 364 multiplied by 215. Children, you don't worry. Children, this is big sum. I can't do. Don't worry. If you are thorough in tables, the sums will be very easy. Understood? Be happy. While doing, don't cry anything. You will be free so that it will be very easy for you. Okay. Now I'll write here. 300 and I'll write it down. 364 multiplied by 215. Okay. Yes. 5 tables. Very easy, children. First you have to multiply the ones column, isn't it? 5 is very easy table. 5 fours are what, children? 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 31, 32. So put 2 here and write 3 above 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. So 364 multiplied by 5. What answer, children? 1820. 1820. So while before going to the tens column, what you have to do? You have to put 1 0 here. Now one table is very easy. 1 4 is 4. 1 6 is 6. 1 3 is 3. Isn't it? Now 364 multiplied by 1. What answer? What answer? What answer, children? See here. 364 will come, isn't it? 364 multiplied by 1 means what answer will come? 364. Okay, now we will multiply, go to the hundreds column. 2 tables. 2 tables also very easy, isn't it, children? 2 4s are. Before that, what you have to put? How many zeros you have to put? 0. 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. And 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 12 means what you have to put? 2 here and carry over here. Understood? 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 you have to write separately. Don't write in between so that it will be wrong. So what now? What you have to do? You have to add. You have to add. So plus. 0 0 0 0. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 6, 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in the mind and 8 in the finger. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Two plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 you have to bring as it is. So what's the answer, children? 78,260. 78,260. Understood, children? Okay, we'll do the fourth sum. Okay, fourth sum, 429 multiplied by 246. 429 multiplied by 246. So 429 multiplied by 246. First First, what you have to do, children? You have to multiply by 6. This is in the ones column, isn't it? So, 6 nines are what, children? 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, what you have to do? 7 you have to write here and 1 you have to. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So what's the answer? 2574. While coming to the 10 star, what you have to add? 0. You have to add 0. Because 46 is coming, isn't it? 46. So we have to add 1 0. Understood? 40. Tens means 1 0 you have to add here. Okay, 4 tables. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. And you have to 3 here. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 what you have to do? You have to here carry over. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. See, when you multiply by 429 into 40 will come, isn't it? That time what answer will come? 17,160. 17,160. When you don't write 429 into 4 means what answer will come? 1,716. Understood? When 40 comes means what will come? 17,160. Understood, children? Now 2 tables. 2 tables very easy. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. You have to put how many zeros here? 0. 18. Put 1 here. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 fours are 8. So what you have to add, children? What you have to? You have to add this 3 numbers. You have to add this 3 numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 6, 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So what's the answer, children? 1,05,534. 1,05,534. Understood, children? Okay, children. See, I have taught 4 sums and now I have given 3 sums for homework. I have given 3 sums for homework. What you have to do, children? You have to write continuously after the classwork. I have given 4 sums. After continuously you have to write this sum. Understood, children? What you have to do while writing, you have to leave 2 lines and then you have to start writing. Understood? So that it will be very easy. It should be neat. It should be very neat. 473 multiplied by 208. 516 multiplied by 170. 7th sum 386 multiplied by 302. Children, there are many sums in 3.5. There are many sums in 3.5. We can't do all the sums. Understood? So I have selected and I have taught you what you can do. You can at home when you have time, you can do these sums and practice in your rough book. You can practice these sums in your rough book. Understood, children? You don't forget, you can put various numbers and you can practice at home. Okay, children, are you thorough? Next week, exam is going to be conducted. I will ask till multiplication 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 only. Understood? I won't ask 3.4 and 3.5. So, don't worry. Till 3.3, I will be asking. Understood, children? Lesson 1 and 2, chapter 1 and 2, you learn from the note itself. You learn from the note. No need to look at the book. Understood? So don't worry. Be thorough. Learn multiplication tables whenever you have time. Understood, children? We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.